This $24 robot vacuum from Temu cleans better than my $300 Roomba. And it's hard to believe how much value this tiny machine packs. The Robot Cleaner Floor Vacuum Cleaner is a 3-in-1 smart dust collector that automatically cleans, sweeps, and even mops with spray humidification for hard floors. For less than the cost of a dinner out, this gadget handles daily messes with surprising efficiency. It navigates tight spaces, avoids obstacles, and transitions smoothly between carpets and hard floors. If you've ever hesitated to spend hundreds on a robot vacuum, this budget-friendly alternative might just change your mind. The standout feature of this vacuum is its 3-in-1 functionality, combining sweeping, mopping, and spray humidification in one compact device. Unlike my $300 Roomba, which only vacuums, this little powerhouse leaves floors not just debris-free, but also lightly dampened for a deeper clean. The smart sensors prevent it from tumbling downstairs or getting stuck under furniture, and the low-profile design lets it glide under beds and sofas with ease. The battery life is decent for its size, covering small to medium-sized rooms before needing a recharge. For pet owners, it does a surprisingly good job, picking up fur and dander without constant maintenance. However, don't expect premium features like app connectivity or voice control at this price. The robot cleaner operates via simple buttons, meaning no scheduling or remote control options. The dustbin is small, requiring frequent emptying, and the mopping function is more of a light wipe than a deep scrub. While it outperforms my Roomba on hard floors, it struggles with thick carpets, where suction power falls short. Still, considering the price difference, these compromises are easy to accept for a secondary cleaning tool or for use in smaller spaces. On the positive side, this vacuum is shockingly quiet compared to high-end models, making it ideal for running during work or sleep. The automatic return to charge feature ensures it's always ready for the next cleanup, and the included side brushes help capture edge debris effectively. On the downside, the water tank for mopping is tiny, needing constant refills, and the lack of a HEPA filter may disappoint allergy sufferers. Yet, for $24, it's an unbeatable entry-level robot cleaner that delivers where it counts. In conclusion, this Temu robot vacuum is a game-changer. For budget-conscious shoppers who want automated cleaning without the premium price tag, while it won't replace a high-end model for whole-home deep cleaning, it's perfect for daily maintenance in apartments or small houses. If you've been burned by expensive robot vacuums that under-deliver, this $24 wonder might just restore your faith in affordable tech. A link to order this product on Temu has been provided in the description below.